aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from NCARD IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 21st February current affairs. The topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is traditional tribal food. That is a transformation of Koraput tribal food basket. This news comes under our GS3 Indian economy and issues relating to planning, mobilization of resource, growth, development. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the what is the traditional tribal food basket, what are the things they are used to eat, and what are the transformation factor, what are the current trends. These are the things we are going to discuss by today's news. First of all, why it is in the news actually. The transformation of the Koraput tribal food basket, that is a district of Odisha. It is a beautiful landscape and also rich biodiversity, the home to a predominantly tribal population, but there is also a paradox. There is a rampant poverty under nutrition. There is a no death of government schemes in the form of direct feeding programs or schemes for livelihood activities. Yes, the under malnutrition levels remains high according to an estimate based on the National Family Health Survey 5 data. That is 43% of the children under 5 years of age are stunted. That is a low height of for the age, and also 33% underweight. Only 17 fed an adequate diet. More than 50% of women are anemic in nature. So this is a news. A commonly based model of nutrition literacy is leading to a change which is predominantly tribal population in the district aware of the importance of the nutritious security. The Koraput district of Odisha in India is known for the rich tribal heritage. Transformation of the tribal food basket reflected a shift in the influence by a modernization of climate change, agricultural advancement, and also government initiative. There is a traditional tribal foods. Mainly, they are Koraput tribal communities have historically relied, and also they can only rely on the forest product and also millet, pulses, tubers, and also the locally grown vegetables. So mainly they are used for the millets like ragi, foxtail millet, and also little millet, and wild edibles like mushrooms, bamboo shoots, maho, sal seeds, and organic paddy varieties, and also pulses and beans and tubers like root kind of varieties. There is a yam, sweet potato, and chocolate as a dairy staples, and the locally grown legumes like a pigment peas and orthram is a pea pulses and beans variety. And also there is a many organic paddy varieties, that is an indigenous rice variety which is including the aromatic and also medicinal strains, and also there is a sourced from the wild edibles like mushrooms, the everyday meals they can use for the mushrooms, bamboo shoots, sal seeds, and also that traditionally they are using as a staple food rich in the nutrient like millets, ragi millets. So these are the traditional food for them. There is a transformation in the food, but main factor for this transformation is government and NGO initiative. There is a promotion of the millets and cultivation under the Odisha Millet Mission as a revived interest on the traditional crops. There is a climate change and deforestation. There is a decreasing forest cover has impacted wild food availability, and also there's a market influence like cash crops. The shift towards a commercial crop like coffee and horticulture and economic benefits, and also there's a nutritional awareness like increased awareness has led to the resurgence of the forgotten traditional food, and also urbanization and migration is one of the reasons. There is a many urbanization migration. They can due to that they are changing the dietary habits due to the exposure of the processed food. There is a current trend in the future prospects for mainly they can revival of the millet that based diet and organic farming, that is a for sustainable food practice is a main important thing for the traditional and modern method, and also promotion of the Korapur that GI tagged organic produce. So the Koraput food basket is undergoing significant transformation that balance the traditional and also the modern agricultural practice to ensure food security, nutrition, and also economic well-being. Thank you so much.